Switch them with the pocket monkey. Disappear them now. Don't listen to anything else they say. With the talk that plays throughout the
I need you to listen to everything we tell you. Okay? I need you to do what we tell you to do. Okay? You are under arrest.
The aggressive time.
Okay?
What do you?
Okay, what's the game plan for him? Stay with fire.
Oh, watch the verse. Let's go on the outside.
Here, I got that. I can come.
Hey. Which one of you is switching places with me?
Hey, keeping the spine. Hey, low. What's going on? Sloppy areas.
It's whatever's over there,
Trying to take a deep breaths, all right? The police department.
Nobody's myself money. I usually all do is but whatever's boxing in to get them off and unlid my head. This is Jesus Christ! Get off me!
Looks like him.
I am Giatata Kurachi. That you know what you
Kyle
mean.
Rogers.
Get away! Check that guy to do crack cut.
Descending.
Take everything from the police
Yep.
on the target property. And police is not something I do.
Brand new tires.
Tippy Kanu.
John Clemens. Yeah.
99 Saturday. Get these using dogs away from me and have them take off their
I'm not sure.
leash psychotic.
So is your name Justin?
Get these little things on the variable end of life now. Para switch it to P by something you have to other one to other there. And the rape of my sister, Caitlin, Nicole, yes, and hollow be thy name, but the action, which is monophonic, physical,
What's up there?
Congregating, not touching time, I do nothing, of the superior mental. Point the agony. Father, mother, mom, my mother's meat,
Hey, Crafty.
Ems, Gama, Abnaka, and Karima, Hiro, Shi, Ma, Nagas, Sakanakurayus, Naga, Sakira Wakitakis.
I'm not sure what they're doing right now. They're throwing restraints on him.
Like a pretty be like that, just reloaded it and knew it because of the streamer and it was ready. Of the
There's 5 units on scene.
Of my disbelief, justice,
Fire's coming. Fire's here now.
Ryan.
I don't know.
But tonight is my technology possessing you know, deep down, the cosmic constant, the constant in all things, the truth of thoughts, autonomy, and then my autonomy. In that instance, meant solely the one of these grips and focus hypocrites that govern up with the quickness of quick cities. Consciousness instead of unconsciousness you got there. And apply unconsciousness to everything you got everybody. As if I was really one simple citizen.
Unless you think they need you right now, they're going to run away to the ambulance. Consider that.
3-1 can we watch what's going on?
Mama! Mom!
Current.
They're getting us! Mom! Give them
This is a call about theft.
You! Zark, my dead brother! Spiratu! Grand Batali! Ray! Cochran! Dick! Cochran!
Don't cut this, it's not all.
Force. That's the full force of the totality house. Remove them. Their force included, but they don't use force to do nothing to me, which they are doing right now. Unbanzaiduran has run it in a D-D.
Hey, what year were you born?
No, this is a call about theft. And then when they were detaining the guy, he was refusing, so they called for backup code 3.
Hey, Justin, I'm a paramedic with the fire department.
I'm not sorry about that. My name is not Double Nut Justin. With all of your persons, all your phenomena and non-phenomena had slip knots that were just pulled.
Hey, Justin.
Instant change.
What's your first name then? Are you guys confident that's who it is?
Yeah.
Hey, Thomas. Are you?
We'll wait until...
Frank Pants, what's going on?
Their force is exceeding force. They are not real. Okay. Then, only real kid. I am real.
Yeah, I can have John do it.
Hey, Michelle, pitch it.
They believe that that's what she wants.
Tony Sweet.
Whatever you guys order.
These dudes getting a big old kick out of it over here.
So they did shoot it with,
Thank you, Crocky. Tempest, what's up? Jose.
We are a danger. If this goes through,
Just
we go
leave.
all the way to Empire's Explosion Star. Stop it now. I am paying. I got up the dollar a long time ago. I paid $15 every dollar. I used dollars that way and they were spending money. Dollars. I don't even use it. Yes, I do. But without even using it. But with using every dollar that they spent that I didn't. Not to compare it but because it is just what is to be used.
yeah, so let's
The items that I need is
Nah,
job.
that's Crocky.
I is away from them now.
and I just need to get a blood pressure. Get the blood pressure on. Pump the foot to the ground. Give him some command.
No, he was fighting during the arrest, so they called for backup.
I was the one who at the top of the tree
And, apparently he's still resisting. Is what they're saying.
Whenever you guys are ready to move them, we can keep them this way and we just throw them on this way back here. However you guys want to do it. Walk over to the gurney now?
If we have to, guys out there, maybe we'll just put the left. He's not going to stand up.
Yep.
Alright. Why don't you let him advance and keep holding the top part?
Super Mars.
Three.
Hey, let me help
Howard County.
Stop. I said no when I tell you to no. And you know how to listen. Get off me and undo the cuffs. Get off me and undo those cuffs. Like
Hey, Captain
now.
Spock, welcome.
Get off me and undo the cuffs. I figure you up to the blue reps.
I got you.
Dang.
Hey, move your head, man, because the strap is going to be really
Shoot
close to your
me!
face.
Shoot me! Either let me go or shoot me right now! Give me liberty or give me death! This,
Let go.
Don't play with your them!
I got some.
Yep. Oticon, I do.
Use the opposite of the beam. Hey! Those reality becomes non-accessible! The planet next closest to the point of origin went through what we're going through eras ago. And there's a lever, a raw lever on Taiwan that they pull every time we almost figure it out. Because we're shit America. And they don't care. And they're gonna run into the streets and shoot people laughing. Please. We're smoking concentrates in camp. Help. Please.
Wow. Still smell gooder? Let's be ready for freedom go.
Who's gonna jump in and then we'll follow him over to the hospital? Yeah.
Big one.
You're restrained at the feet.
Jeffrey.
And then I'll probably take her, I'll go over to I think Tyler's going to hospital too, no? I'm going to.
Oh, a sick one. What? What's up, Boomers? Oticon? Dang, if he had a channel, it probably would be. So he's restrained to the gurney.
Yeah, you know, you can yeah, I think that's the best we're gonna get.
State of emergency. State of emergency. You guys. Oh, excuse me. Let me out. I'm free. Okay, that's so that I was not okay. But I think that was the end for the sent down to the Old Testament right now.